Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. First of all, Happy New Year 2026. Today, let's see what is this Pega GEN AI Socrates. Let's see how it is for us. Before going to the video, I would like to share that all the updates related to videos and any job opportunities you can find under my channel posts. So if you scroll down, you can see all the jobs that I have listed across my contacts, and you can do your predictions over here, and you can participate in the polls that I conduct regularly. Before going to video, I want to share that I am available in TopMate now. So if you want some Pega career guidance, or if you want some Pega mock interviews, or if you want some information on interview questions, whatever it is, you can reach me personally in this TopMate. You can book a video meeting with me so that I can have one-to-one chat with you guys. So let's get started into the topic. What is this Socrates? So Pega GEN AI Socrates is an AI-powered educational tool that is designed to facilitate learning and understanding of Pega solution. It uses generative AI to provide interactive and conversational learning experience that adapts to the needs and queries of learners. So if we want to learn in an interactive way, this is really a very good feature given by Pega, and actually it offers a very variety of learning modalities for different learning preferences, including self-paced instructor learned training, flex learning, and other challenges. So how do we interact, and what are the language preferences we have? Normally the conversation with Socrates can be through text, speech to text, or text to speech in one of the 10 supported languages at this time. So English, German, French, Spanish, Japanese, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Swedish, Polish. All these 10 languages are supported by Pega GEN AI Socrates. So you can use this preferences panel to customize the user interference language and conversation style. And if you want to use text to speech, it is better to use headphones so that whatever we are speaking in our native language, example French or Spanish, then it will be easily converted. And so for each module, Socrates will ask you to identify your level of experience and respond accordingly. Not only that, actually images, video, and other media is also provided during the conversation. So if you type some question, it will be giving some links to other some videos also. And how does Socrates evaluate your progress? So Socrates constantly assess your responses with the module learning objectives using a RAG with a specialized product knowledge from Pega documentation. So it uses the real-time Pega documentation, and it makes our conversation very active until we refresh or exit from the browser. So Socrates maintain your completed learning objectives. Once learning objective is marked as completed, you will not lose the progress even if you refresh or exit the module. So this is really one of the nice feature given by Pega. So you might be getting how secure the data entered by you during the conversation is secure. Does Socrates save the text or audio conversations? Means actually Socrates with conversations with Socrates are highly secure and are reviewed solely to enhance the user experience, and it retains textual conversations for 1 year and does not save any audio. And Pega has implemented robust data security measures, including encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. Additionally, we ensure the compliance and applicable data protection regulations. So data is never shared outside of Pega. So you can press this Socrates. So how do we access this Socrates? So I would be giving this link in our video description. Example, this is the Socrates. You can see, and if you go here, and you can see a start mission option over here, and see this is system architect Socratic. It's a Socratic mission. Example, here if I scroll down, this is Pega platform fundamentals, and here you can see using Socrates learn objectives accessing in the pane on the left side of the conversation area. Preferences, as we said, customizing the language. Conversation, create just we have to give an enter and complete the response. So for experienced learners, it will start with a scenario based assessment. Responses are evaluated to identify knowledge gaps. For new learners, begins with foundation content before the assessment. And you can see here launch Socrates. So this is the Socrates that I'm speaking about. And here you can see Socrates preferences are there. Just so default language is English. Socrates, you want Socrates to respond with some other language, you can give that as well. Different languages and conversation style, whether it's a casual, professional, or expert. And you can select the industry you would like to explore. Here industries are like different industries they have provided. And Socrates audio, so if I have said like toggle text to speech, you can click on and you want to give the playback speed, that also you can select that. And here if you see the respective option, here you can ask the question. So as I have clicked at Pega platform fundamentals, it has given like this. Like this you can expand or minimize the pane. Just I have given this. See? Great. So here it has given one scenario also. So if you want to answer, you can answer that. And so here what it is asking, describe the relation between case step for this application and the case. So application consists of different cases. Cases can be of parent case and child case. Based on our business needs, we can customize the same. I have given answer. Explain how stages, processes, and steps combine to create the case life cycle for the application. Case can contain many stages, and we can set status for each stage as well. Each stage can have multiple steps which can be invoked conditionally and can invoke multiple processes in each step, and those also can be invoked conditionally or without conditions. Now I have given answer like this. Identify the different personas that you would associate with this application. So like this, it's an interactive way of learning. Here example, this is a loan application they have told, like, so personas can be like loan officer, uh, loan applicant, what can be more. I have just given two. Describe a data object that you would create for this application, including two relevant fields and a sample data record. See, like this, you can learn. So based on your answers from it, you can learn and explore more about this. If you have already used or if you have seen any additional features in this, please feel free to comment on this video, and I would be giving links for this, so it will be very useful for you guys. And not only that, here you can see the learning objectives. In this module, you will learn expand relation between a case type and case. Like these two, we have already answered. Like this, you can see what are the other questions it would be asking. So like this respective Socrates is like an interactive learning and personalized guide for us. If you want, you can utilize it. Otherwise, just you can ignore and you can go ahead and do your courses. Hope you have come to know one of the new feature in Pega. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have liked the content. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and check community tab for regular updates and click on bell notifications.